Ugh, I hate this weather. Makes me feel so old. When will the rain stop? So I can see the sun again. So I can feel young again. Will I ever see the blue sky? Will I ever stop to cry? No one knows. No one knows. Only me.
Brother, what you doing today? You like play ukulele? Nah, just joking, brother. What's the scoop?
Hi, my name's Chimpy, and I'm a chimp. Hi there. Do you have a banana for me? Please give me a banana. I love bananas. Every time I think about a banana, I just go, yum, yum, yummy, yummy.
Wait, look at what I've got over here. It's a bunch of elk. We have to be very, very quiet, or else the elk will see me and scatter. Do not worry, my friends. I'm just like you, except I walk on two legs. We have to be very, very careful. They see me now. Hopefully, I don't scare them away. Or would they come trample at me? They're very, very large. Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. My friend, please do not be alarmed. I'm just like you in every fashion. Please, I'm here to be your friend. Please, no. You see, they scattered. There they go. They hop quickly to get away from predators. But little do they know, I'm not a predator. I'm just an old, strange man that likes...
Ooh,
Eat that.
that's juice the rejuice. Rejuice.
This is kind of like an alien that sucks all the blood out and leaves like a dry corpse. Put it in there!
Rejuice the juiced.
Recycled. It's poop.
It's like roundness.
It's the same thing. It's just all the juice. It's everything mixed together. That's why it's that color.
That's crazy. Dirty ape, I'm just like you. See? We're not so different after all, are we? That's right. It was all fake. Happy Halloween.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.